made $150,000 selling PDFs online, and I'm here to tell you that you don't need 100 customers a day to build real money online. You only need just five, right? So before we carry on, 25 years ago, I was writing my first song. 15 years ago, I became a dad and I worked in retail for just $360 per month. Yeah, per month. 10 years ago, I started digital marketing and built enough customers to leave my 9 to 5. And this year, I celebrate my 10,000th customer, over 450K in digital profits, and 250 million views across all social medias. So let's dive right in and give you some value. So a lot of people nowadays, they hear, oh, 150K and they, selling PDFs, and they assume massive audience, you need massive tech skills, some secret strategy, but you don't. It all just came from a simple system that I'm going to break down to you in a minute, and it's actually more achievable than people think. So for me, here's the shift, right? And the math changes everything. So you don't need 100 customers a day. And when you feel like you need 100 customers a day, it's going to make you feel overwhelmed and not even want to get started. So we need to simplify things. And that's what I'm all about, simplification, right? You don't need 100, you just need five sales at $28 every day is $140 a day, and $140 a day for 30 days, which is a month, is $4,200 per month. Crazy, right? And that's only five. Does that make sense? So 4,200 per month for a whole year is 50 grand per year. Now that is most people's salary. That is probably, that's life changing money, especially if you keep your job. That's an extra 50 grand per year on the side. Automatically, you're earning without doing anything. The system is set up. And that's what we're creating here. It's all about creating systems. If you ever hear anyone talking about internet marketing or digital marketing, it's the process of creating systems. It's the process of creating marketing systems. Now, what's a system? What's a marketing system? A marketing system is a repeatable process that produces repeatable results. Let me say that again. A good marketing system is a repeatable process that produces repeatable results. And that's all it is. So once you set that machine up to create a repeatable process, it's going to keep producing a repeatable result unless you turn it off. And why would you turn off 50K a year? You wouldn't. You would leave it on, right? And that's just from one digital product. Imagine you had two. That's 100K a year. Imagine you had four. That's 200K a year. Again, once the systems are set up, you leave it on and you let the system do all of the hard work for you. It's a little bit like when you need a glass of water, you've got a system whereby your taps are connected to a framework, a mainframe, whereby every time you turn the tap, water funnels down the system and ends up in your sink. That's tap water. That's a system, a repeatable process that produces repeatable results. Every time you need a tap water, it's there for when you need it, right? You don't have to go all the way down to your local reservoir or to your local water company, which is 100 miles away, just for a glass of water. That wouldn't be productive, but that's what the world is doing with 9 to 5s and with jobs. They're traveling 100 hours a day, to get a glass of water to come home and then go back every single day. That's okay if you enjoy doing that, but if you don't, there's a better system. And that's what you got to understand. At least be aware. Be aware that there's a better system out there. Now, if you don't want to utilize that system, that's cool. Not everyone has to utilize the system. Not everyone wants 50K per year, 100K per year. That's down to preference. But at least be aware that the system exists so that then you can make an informed decision. Okay. So if we move on, one platform, one audience, one product. And this is what actually worked for me. I don't have 5 platforms, 10 offers, webinars, this, and, coaching, all that. It's just simple, right? The way I did it, the way I set up my system, and the way I set up all of my systems is I choose one platform, which in this case, the 150K originally that was earned from selling PDS was YouTube, right? So if we say YouTube, cool, that's done. YouTube, okay? So say for example you're on TikTok, it would be TikTok. Now I'm on TikTok as well, and I've got systems created on TikTok. But for this example, let's say YouTube, because YouTube was the first platform that I made 150K selling digital PDFs, right, as a beginner. So let's just say that's your case. Say YouTube, right? One audience. So in my case, it was music creators. Okay, it was music creators. It was people that use Logic Pro on their computers and they record vocals at home. Okay, music creators. That was my audience. And the product that I was selling was a vocal chain mix, vocal preset they're called, right? Whereby this is a simple little template that an artist can apply to his vocals in seconds to sound clearer, sharper, and more professional. Okay? And that was it. All I had after this was a call to action. So I would literally make YouTube videos, 10-minute YouTube videos of me recording vocals, applying the template to the vocals so that people can hear it how it sounds in real time. And then at the end of the video, I would say click the link in my bio to go and get your vocal preset. And that was it. And that all I had to do was make the video. So I would make maybe 3 videos a week, and that was it. Every piece of content just acted like a salesperson, which was demonstrating the product and asking people, would you like to buy it? I weren't forcing anyone. I weren't having fonts on the screen. They weren't, sexy videos. They were just basic videos turned on, screenshot, and that was it, right? Let me just go up because this is annoying me. Let me just copy and paste this into here. That's why. Okay? So it's all about simplification, guys. It's all about simplification. So the next thing is you don't need a technical background. And this is where I see a lot of people online. They ask me, yeah, but, I don't know coding and I don't know funnels and I don't know degrees. You don't need to know any of that stuff. Don't concern yourself with things that you don't need to concern yourself with. That is not what you've been asked to do. You've been asked to create content for one audience and sell them one product by having a CTA at the end of every video. A CTA, if you don't know, is a call to action, which means basically if you would like to learn more, that's a call to action. If you would like to sign up, that's a call to action. Okay? And that's it. That's it. Now, what you do need to do is you need to be clear. You need to be clear. Like, this isn't clear. Saying, if you would like to make money online, tap the link in my bio. But who are we speaking to? A more clear and effective way is, okay, cool. If you would like to make an extra 5K per month working from home, doing as little as possible and spending more time with your family, tap the link in my bio. Do you see how much clearer that is? Did you feel how much more warmer that felt? Right? And if I said that in 100 videos at the end as a call to action, I would get a ton of signups and a ton of customers, right? And the PDF that they're asking for, there's 2 ways to do this. You can have a free lead magnet, and then have an email marketing sequence set up to sell people on If you know how to do that, I'd advise you to do that. If you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. The reason why people use lead magnets is because they want to squeeze more orange out of the orange. They want more orange juice out of the orange, right? But if you're a starter, you're thirsty, and whatever juice you get out of the orange is going to be enough for you, right? But once you get good at that, once you squeeze your orange juice, you wet your whistle and you're no longer thirsty. Now you can say, okay, I know what I'm doing here, but I want more juice. I want to get every little bit of juice out of that orange. And that's when you can start implementing lead magnets and email marketing. But you don't have to do that. Just because you see people doing that, it doesn't mean you have to do that. If you're a beginner at this, just have your product, right, as the click CTA. You don't need to bother with the lead magnet. Drop that part out. And that's what I did at the beginning. I didn't have a lead magnet. Okay? So simplification is everything. Now, there's 2 ways to create a product. If you don't have a product already, I can hear you saying, yeah, but what do I create? I don't know what to create. You have 2 options. You can start with a PLR product, right? And this is what a PLR product is. So if you go to Google, type PLR, let's just go here, PLR products, right? These are PLR products, which is basically products that are created already, and you just buy them and you resell them. So if you're like, okay, I like pets. Say, for example, you like dogs. You make a dog page, right, where you create content, posting pictures or whatever of your dog. And at the end of every, because your audience is going to be dog lovers. Okay? Say, for example, you want dog lovers. It doesn't matter. There's an audience for there's a product and audience for everyone. Okay? Let me just show you. All right, let's go back because my computer's acting a bit slow because I'm recording. So let's just go straight to Google, and instead of that website, we just type PEP PLR products. And we go to this, okay? So we're reverse engineering, okay? Caring for your cat, a happy dog, kitten training. These are all books that you buy for $14.99. You invest $14.99 in your whatever in the buy the book. It comes with resale rights, so you will resell that book to, you put the link in your description and you will sell that to cat lovers, right? So that's PLR. You don't need to write it and do it, or you just download it simply and you resell it. Now, people that follow your page, they're gonna like, oh, I like this page. Oh, let me tap the link in my bio because the person said tap the link in my bio. And oh, I've got a kitten, I want to train them. Let me buy it. You sell that for you can sell that ebook for $7 if you wanted to, right? And here's the thing with pricing. You simply start it at $7 and you keep upping it by $3 every time. So if you start at $7 and you get 10 sales a day, tomorrow start it at $10. And if you still get three sales or 10 sales a day, and you're like, oh, it's still selling, up it another three. And that's what I initially did, right? I kept upping it until I got to $29. The highest I got was 97, but I would only sell one a day. Right? At $29, I would sell about 3 to 4 a day. Right? Which was just over $100. So I was like, okay, cool. So you play with the price and you keep upping it $3, right? Until you hit a ceiling. Cool. So that's PLR. Easy way to do it. You can have 10 different TikTok or Instagram accounts about 10 different things. One about forex trading, one about kittens, one about dogs, one about Facebook, everything. You can have it about everything. Okay? You can have it about everything. Don't really matter. And that's how you start to double, if, like I said here earlier, if one product, the cat book is doing you 50K per year, and then the forex book is doing you another 50K, and then this, and then that, and then that, you see how it starts to build up. Yeah? Now you've got a whole range of different products. So that's PLR. Next is ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT and you can literally say to ChatGPT, I've got a problem which is helping girlfriends get their husband, helping women get their partners to propose to them in 30 days. I like that. Tell it to write you a 5 to 7 ebook, right? Now you post content talking about this, that, and that, X, Y, and Z, women, da, da, da. You have your call to action. Now I'm gonna make if you want another video about how to actually build the platform. So that's a different, it's not a different subject, but that's a specific training that I can go through if you want more on that. Okay. I've got loads of social media accounts. One account's got 60K, the other account's got 5K, another account's got 20K, another account's got 70. Like there's just ways to build. Okay. So and that's it. And you move on. Okay. So you can even, sometimes what I've done in the past, and I do this actually all the time. I've done this the other day. So you can start by looking at what they've got, right? And reverse engineer it. So you can go, okay, cool. Anti-aging, I like that product. My core group is going to be OAPs. And then the content the platform I'm going to choose is Facebook. And then you start making content around that with a link in your description. And you do this on the side of your job. You don't need to quit your job to do this. You do this. This takes 20 minutes a day. And you do this until this starts paying you more than your regular job. And then you can decide to keep your regular job and do this, or you can quit your job, whatever. This works. This allows you to create in the corners of your life, in the little gaps, right? So let's talk about why this works. Most people think digital products are about creativity. They're not. It's just about identifying a problem, packaging it as a solution, and then getting as many eyeballs on it. It's rule 101 of sales, online sales, whatever sales. You find a problem, you package it as a solution, and you tell people, look, I've found a solution to your problem. Would you like to buy it? A lot of people are gonna say no or not yet, and a few people are gonna say yes. And those people become your customers and they buy. Okay, and if they buy and they enjoy, then they come back to buy it. They say, "What else have you got?" And the trust is built because they're like, "Okay, you helped me with my last problem. The next time I get another problem, I'm gonna come to you. Or next time my friend gets a problem, I'm gonna recommend them." Right? And that's how you scale. So the real takeaway is this: the 150K didn't come from being complex. Now, I could probably argue that the less I knew, the more easier it was for me. And that's, you should take a lot of confidence from that. You probably don't know a lot about this at the minute, and that is why it's going to be stupid easy for you, because the less you can do, and the less you can do, the more efficient you're going to be, and the quicker you're going to be. Once I started learning about marketing funnels and XYZ, I didn't necessarily, yeah, I made more, and I grew more, but I was also doing more, right? It's just like the analogy of the orange. I started wanting to, okay, instead of squeezing the orange and getting only 40% of the juice out, how can I squeeze the orange and get 80% of the juice out? You start to become not greedy, but just more calculated in wanting to be efficient and get as much as you can out of it. Okay. So, 5 sales a day can really change a lot for you. Like, so if you're just waiting for that perfect idea, you're just delaying the compounding effect. You might as well get started now, because a year is gonna go regardless of whether you start this or not. A year is still gonna pass. So a year can pass, and this time next year, you could have a vehicle, a system that is producing consistent results, paying you every single day, $100, $200, or you can choose not to do that and just leave it and just don't make it. It's up to you, right? One platform, one audience, one product. Hope you got value from this video, guys. If you want to make your first 1K in 30 days, again, I'm all about simplification. Tap the link in my description for my free guide. Give this video a like and subscribe for more content, and I will speak to you soon. Take care.